Look no further than the 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Answer the call to adventure in refined luxury in the Grand Cherokee. It brings rugged versatility, advanced safety features, and passenger-focused technology along on every journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, sunroof, heated mirrors, satellite radio, keyless start, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist. Experience the freedom of off-road exploration in the Grand Cherokee. Take a test drive today.